Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. In today's video I'm showing you how to make some simple and easy sweet potato fries. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you can get your what? Notifications. Alright, so let's get started. I already cut up 3 sweet potatoes. It was 2 small and 1 medium size, okay? I have my MCT oil, or you can use olive oil or just an olive oil spray. It's pretty much up to you. I'm going to sprinkle it all over. I'm going to get in there with my hands. I'm just going to make sure that everything is fully coated. And then I'm sprinkling some salt. But the salt that I use is this. Seasoned salt, triple blend flakes. It's a salt alternative. I'll put a link down below where you can get this. It's not black pepper. It looks like it, but it's not. Okay, it's salt flakes. Much healthier for you. This is a great salt alternative. Then I'm going to add some parsley flakes, and dry parsley flakes is perfectly fine. And it's just a matter of how much you want on there. Okay, and then I'm just going to use my hands to make sure that everything is fully coated. Once again, you have to get in there with your hands. Don't be afraid. Once you've done that, you're going to spread it out, and you will put this in the oven for 20 minutes, and then that should be good enough. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, just to get a crisp to it, I forgot, I'm just going to have some arrowroot powder, and I'm just going to put this in my hands, right? And then I'm going to put a little bit of the oil that I use. Just going to add a little bit more oil because I forgot to tell you guys to do it this way. This give it a nice crisp. You can do this before, and I'm just using my hands, guys. I'm not, you know. And what I'm going to do is, don't mind that. But this is just exactly what I'm going to do. So usually I'd mix it in, but I completely forgot. But you mix it in with the oil, and then you put it on here. That's going to help with the crisp, okay? So I just put it in my hands. Alright, so that's pretty much all we need. Just make sure that it's well coated. Clean it off. Don't make a mess. I'm going to clean this up. I will be putting this in the oven, okay? And you see I'm making sure that it's rubbed in very well, and they're spaced out. And it already looks so pretty. Look at that. Alright, I'll be right back. Put it in the oven. Okay, my healthy people. Here we have our delicious, healthy, sweet potato fries. This is perfect, especially if you're diabetic, acid reflux. This works for me. Everything that you need for this recipe will be in the description box. I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and say it with me. Stay healthy.